Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Porsche has shown off a one-of-one 911 Classic Club Coupe made for America's biggest Porsche club. Built on a 996 generation 911 Carrera found in Virginia. The 911 Classic Club Coupe was sent back to Stuttgart for a bare metal restoration, where the bodyshell was rebuilt and strengthened. During the 2-year restoration, a number of unique features were added. The car is finished in sport gray metallic, with full-length, light sport gray racing stripes outlined in club blue, similar to the 911 Sport Classic. At the rear, a ducktail spoiler protrudes between the taillights in a nod to the Carrera RS 2.7. The Classic Club Coupe also gains a double-bubble roof that, like the spoiler, was hand-built for this car and rides on 18-inch forged aluminum Futz wheels. Inside, the Classic Club Coupe is covered in black leather with slate gray and club blue accents, an Alcantara headliner, and a woven black and slate gray pattern on the seats and door panels. The Classic Club Coupe script appears throughout, and the car receives modern touches, including Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Sirius XM. Porsche says all of the technical modifications were evaluated, so that the car remains in compliance with U.S. regulations. Having been the customer for this factory restoration project, the Porsche Club of America has taken delivery of the completed vehicle, according to a Porsche spokesperson. The engine was replaced with a 3.6-liter flat six from the 996 GT3, producing about 375 horsepower and 385 Newton-meters of torque. The gearbox is a 6-speed manual transaxle, and power goes to the rear wheels only. This means that the 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint should take around 4.1 seconds and onto a top speed of 190 miles per hour. The chassis and brakes are also brought up to GT3 specs to ensure adequate handling and stopping power. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.